Hello, my name is Michael Taylor. I am from Florida and I visited Clearwater Beach. I ran across multiple of issues. I met a lieutenant, 2 detectives, and 4 other officers that did not know the law, and they could not figure it out. This is an issue. This is going to get somebody hurt or put in jail. I hope this video helps educate not only the public, but law enforcement as well. Thank you.
Stop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, why you got your hands on me?
Because you're walking with a firearm.
I know. I'm going fishing. Look, I got a fishing pole.
You're not fishing right now.
I know, I'm going to that fishing pier right there.
Okay.
But Sergeant, who are you?
He's a lieutenant, though.
Okay, what is your name, badge number?
Center 9808.
Yours?
Detective Cap 6440.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
beach
fine.
license.
Dude, sir, you're throwing my $300 fishing pole in the dirt right now.
I'll pick it up for you.
No, yeah, you're going to pay for my $300 fishing pole.
Okay. You want to go up to the,
Come on.
we need to
No.
walk up there, come on.
I'm not breaking the law.
You think it's appropriate walking
Yes,
around
absolutely.
with an AR-15 on your
Absolutely.
chest, where there's children and everybody on
Absolutely,
the beach? You
yes.
think that's appropriate?
Yes.
You don't think that's going to cause problems?
901-151. What law did I break? What
Let's
law
go up
did...
there.
No. What law did I break? What law did I break?
Listen, there's city ordinances.
Going
Which be
to...
much more accessible.
It's going to and returning from. It doesn't matter where I am trying to go fishing. It's about going to and returning from.
Okay.
I haven't done...
Look, my guy, you've got a gun strapped to your chest.
I
walking on
get
a
it,
public
dude.
beach, and that's why we're doing what we're doing, so relax.
Because I'm not...
Relax. Just
Did
take a
you
deep
swear an
breath.
oath to the
Relax.
Constitution?
100%.
Then what's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem with you guys defending your oath to the Constitution of Florida, and the United States? What's the problem?
Why you got to be all nasty for?
What? Why am I in handcuffs? Why are you taking my... I don't consent to any search or
You're not being
seizure.
searched, but I'm going to take
You're
the weapon
seizing
from
my... You're
No.
not.
Protect you.
No, you're not protecting me. You're stripping me of my rights.
Identify yourself to us?
I don't have to.
Well, you have to identify.
I am going to a fishing pier where my fishing license is covered under that fishing pier.
I understand.
I do not have to identify.
Listen, you're not wrong,
I know I'm not.
okay?
So where we at?
However,
Where we at? Dude, I'm going to a fishing pier where I'm covered under the law. I do 901-151.
I'm aware of
901-151. What crime did I commit?
However,
901-1...
are you going to let me...
Nope. Let me out of this car, give me my stuff back, and let me go about my day.
You're not a convicted felon.
You don't... The government is... The federal case law has already proven that I do not need to prove myself until I've committed a crime.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
I'm not refusing anything. Right now, I am not breaking the law.